articles. A and the are the three articles used in English language. An article comes before a noun. It gives more information about a noun by indicating whether the noun is specific or general. So it tells us whether we are talking about the noun in particular or whether we are talking about a general noun. We also know that the articles a and an are used for non-specific nouns. That is, when we are not talking about anything in specific or particular. Whereas article the is used when we are talking about something in specific or particular. Now let us see where all can we use article the. The Vedas are important books. Now if you see, I have used the before Vedas. The Vedas are important books because Vedas means we are talking about particular books, Vedas. So the names of important books are preceded by the. That is, the comes before the names of important books like the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita. So the comes before the names of important books. A tiger is a furious animal. Is it a correct sentence? A tiger is a furious animal. It means one. It means that we are referring to one tiger. And also it means any tiger. Not a specific tiger. But is only one tiger furious? No. All the tigers are furious. So the tiger as a class is furious. So over here we need to write the tiger is a furious animal because we are referring to not just one tiger but the entire class of tigers. So when we refer to the entire class of something, we use the and not a. The tiger is a furious animal means the animal tiger is a furious animal. The entire class of tigers is furious. But if I say I saw a tiger in the zoo, then it will be a tiger because I am not talking about a particular tiger, nor am I referring to the entire class of tigers. I cannot see the entire class of tigers in the zoo. So I saw a tiger in the zoo. So a does not refer to a specific tiger over there. So we can use a over there. A banyan is a type of fig tree. A banyan? Is only one banyan a type of fig tree? No. All the banyan trees are fig trees. So we are referring to the entire class of banyan trees. So we use the banyan is a type of fig tree because it refers to the entire class of banyan trees. But if I say there is a banyan tree in my garden, it could be any banyan tree. I am not referring to the entire class of banyan trees. But when I am referring to the entire class of banyan trees, I use article the. He can play the guitar. So the is also used before musical instruments. Why? Because if he can play guitar, he can play any guitar. So over here, guitar refers to the entire class of guitars or all the guitars that are there. So he can play any guitar. That means we need to write he can play the guitar because it refers to the entire class of guitars. But if I have to say I have a guitar, means I have just one guitar with me. So in that case, I use a before guitar. But over here, he can play the guitar means he can play any guitar among all the guitars that are available in the world. So this guitar refers to the class of guitars. That is why I have the here. It is very difficult to play the flute. So again, flute refers to the entire class of flutes. So the is used before flute here. The is also used before the names of important rivers, oceans, water bodies like the Pacific Ocean. There is one and only one Pacific Ocean in the world. So we are referring to a particular ocean here, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Amazon River, the Suez Canal. So the in each case is referring to a particular water body. So we use the before the names of rivers, oceans, seas, which are only one of their kind. The is also used before important locations on the globe, like the equator. So equator is a particular line or a particular latitude on the globe. So the equator. The North Pole. So North Pole is also a specific or a particular position on the globe. So it is the North Pole. We write the USA and the UK. So we use the before the names of countries like USA and UK. Why? Because it is United States of America. So many states, they come together, they unite to form USA. That is why the USA. Similarly for UK, the United Kingdom. So many kingdoms, they come together and unite to form the United Kingdom. That is why the UK. But what about countries like India, China, Sri Lanka? Do we have the before their names? No, we don't. So we don't say the India, the China, or the Sri Lanka. We say India, China, Sri Lanka. So the is used only for some countries in which some states or some kingdoms, they have come together to form the country, not before the countries like India, China, Sri Lanka, which are individual units. The earth rotates about its axis. So over here it is used before earth. So it is used before things, objects or bodies which are one of their kind, which are unique. So earth is unique. There is just one earth in the entire universe. So it is a unique object or a unique body. So we use the before it. The earth rotates about its axis. So it is unique and one of its kind. The sun looks beautiful when it rises. Once again, sun is unique and we use the before it because it is one of its kind. The stars twinkle in the night sky. So the stars means I am referring to the entire class of stars. So the stars twinkle in the night sky means I am talking about a particular time of the day, the night sky. So the stars twinkle in the night sky. Arjun is the tallest boy in the class. So the comes before tallest. Now tallest is a superlative degree adjective. That is, it says Arjun is the tallest boy in the class. So it is an adjective of superlative degree. So we also use the before adjectives of superlative degree. The rice bowl, the stones beside the road. So the rice bowl means I'm referring to a specific rice bowl, not just any rice bowl. The rice bowl which you had for dinner. So a specific rice bowl. The stones beside the road. So the specific stones which are there beside the road, not any stones. Now let us look at the usage of the for countable and uncountable nouns. She liked to sail over the water. This is a correct sentence. She liked to sail over the water. So by water, I mean any water body. So it refers to the entire class of all the water bodies. So I have the before it. But water is an uncountable noun. I cannot count water. So before uncountable nouns, I can choose not to write the. So she liked to sail over water. Even this is a correct sentence. So both these sentences are correct. I may or may not write the. So when it comes to uncountable nouns, we may or may not write the. Even if you don't write the, it is correct. So now let us fill in the blank using a, an, or the. One day, Lily, a little girl, fell sick. Dash angel came. Dash angel. So are we talking about a specific angel here? No, we are not talking about any specific angel. So it will not have the, because the is used for specific nouns. But what will we have? A or an? Angel. Angel starts with a vowel sound, A. So I will have an here. An angel came and gave her dash magical apple. So magical apple. Am I talking about a particular apple here? Once again, no. So the will not be there in the blank. And magical. Magical starts with the sound meh. So it is a consonant sound. So we will have A here. An angel came and gave her a magical apple. Dash very next day, Lily recovered. Dash very next day. So very next day, are we talking about a specific day? Yes, we are talking about a specific day. So the very next day means which day? The day after Lily met the angel. So we are talking about a specific day. So specific nouns have the before them. The very next day Lily recovered. Then the angel said that it was just dash normal apple. So it was just dash normal apple. Once again, we are not referring to a particular apple. It was any apple. So it will be a normal apple because normal starts with a consonant sound, no. So we'll have A over here. So Lily learned that an apple a day keeps dash doctor away. So are we talking about a particular doctor here? No, we are not talking about a particular doctor. But we are talking about the entire class of doctors or entire community of doctors. So we will have article the here because it means all the doctors. So an apple a day keeps all the doctors away. So an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So we have learnt about three articles, a and the. A and an are called indefinite articles because they don't talk about specific or particular nouns, whereas the is called definite article because it talks about specific or particular nouns. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.